everyone! Welcome to Growing Spaces. Today we're going to go on a tour of our 26-foot growing dome greenhouse kit. This is our 26-foot growing dome, and this is by far our most popular size. When we go inside, you'll see why. It has the perfect mix of growing room as well as livable space for you to hang out and enjoy all of your hard work. This dome does come standard with 4 vents, 2 lower and 2 upper, as well as a hybrid solar fan. Now when we get to this size, we have a few extra options for you. So you can add an additional lower vent if you would like. You can also exchange the upper vents for an attic fan, which is great if you live in an especially windy climate or you just want that extra added ventilation. And you can also add an additional door. We have electric and solar options for your water feature, as well as a desert cooling package, which comes with a fan and a misting system. Let's head inside. As you can see, the 550 square feet that we have to work with in this growing dome allows us to maximize our growing space and also create a little area for us to hang out, have a cup of coffee, enjoy the greenery that we've worked so hard on. And this is really great in the winter months when it's really chilly outside. You can come into your nice warm greenhouse and just enjoy the space. Besides the 550 square feet, we also have 12 feet 7 inches of vertical space in this growing dome. As you can see, we have a very well-established fig tree in here, so this does give you a little bit more options with the types of things you can grow. You have tons of vertical space. And I mentioned all of the ventilation options that you can add to this greenhouse. All of our domes do come standard with some form of automated ventilation. Our venting panels open and close with temperature-controlled pistons, so as it heats up during the day, the vents will open, and as it cools down at night, they'll go ahead and close. You don't have to worry about it. And all of our fan options come with a thermostat, so you can set them at whatever temperature you'd like them to turn on or off at. This gives you peace of mind and makes it so that you don't have to come out to your greenhouse and remember to open or close anything. Thank you so much for coming on a virtual tour with us today. We do offer DIY and professional installation options for all of our growing dome greenhouse sizes, so you can pick what would work best for you based upon your budget and your construction experience. If you'd like to see a growing dome in person, we do have all 6 sizes available for tour at our Pagosa Springs facility, as well as a 26-foot growing dome up in Golden, Colorado. And we also have growing domes in all 50 states and 14 countries around the world, so we can find somebody that's local to you for you to go and see their space. I will have a form linked in the description box down below so that you can schedule your tour with us, and you can also always call us at 1-800-753-9333. If you are ready to buy, we would love to get you connected with a growing dome advisor, and again, I will have a contact form, and you can also just give us a call. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.